You ready for this? I love saying this bit. Ready? Ready? Let's go. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time, thanks so much for popping over. Today we're going to be doing a pin unboxing with my first pins from Disney Shanghai. So I'm really excited. Put my glasses on. Oh, frog in my throat. Ears. First of all, my ears. These are from Jacqueline from Sew My Ears. I love these. These are my food and wine ones. They're Ratatouille. In Ratatouille, lights up, there's battery packs and it's got food and wine being poured into a glass. But because it's daylight, you can't see, but I'm actually going to be doing a vlog of all my ears. So I'll show them overnight and in the day as well, but I absolutely adore these. So that's why I'm wearing them today. Right, so shall we start? I've got 3 boxes of the Disney emoji pins. I'm so excited. And these are all from the Zootopia movie. They're Zootopia characters sitting on donuts. A bit weird, I don't really understand it. If I'm honest, I don't even know if I've actually watched Zootopia. Having little dogs that when they see animals bark, it's a bit tricky. I really need to sit and watch it, especially as my part pack, it's flying its way over to me and I know already it's Zootopia. So I need to figure out who these characters are. So I'll show you the pins. And then if you can tell me who they are. It's not ideal really, is it? But we're a teamwork. There's no I in team, is there? So yeah. And I'm a bit daft, but never mind. So those are all the characters you can get. So you'll be screaming. Now if I get Nick or Judy, I know who they are. But anyone else, I do not have a clue. Not a clue. So I think there's 11 pins in this set. 6, 7, 8, 9, sorry, 10 pins in this set. So I've got 3 boxes, so potentially I've got 9. So I need to get another box at some point, don't I? So shall we see what I've got? Shall we? Shall we open them? Right, you ready? Let's have a pin unboxing. I like pin unboxings. Right. So, oh, the reason I can get 9 is because in the Shanghai boxes, there's 1. All these nice thick bags. 2. 3. You get 3 pins in a box. Whereas obviously in Florida and Disneyland, you get 2. In Paris you don't get any because they don't do mystery boxes. But yeah, so in the Shanghai pin boxes you actually get 3 pins. I know some of them, I think they brought out the Wreck-It Ralph series and I think they've only got 2 in, like our 2. But these ones, yeah, they've got 3. So worth asking before you order any off anybody. Now these, I can feel they're inside cardboard inside the wrapper. So shall we rip it up? Yeah, I like that. Shall we see who it is? Well, you know it is because I won't. It's a very nice pin. I'm not actually sure who it is, but it's a very nice pin. It's like is it a buffalo? You'll all be screaming at the thing. You'll all know exactly who it is. I don't, but you'll know exactly who he is. So that's the first one. Should we call him, is he a bull? It might be a bull. Sat on a donut. So they're really nice. Really different. I absolutely adore all the Hong Kong, Shanghai, Tokyo pins because there's just something a bit different about them and I love it when they put all the glitter and all the bling. I think that's amazing. So that's the first one. So we'll call him Mr. Buffalo. I'm sure that's not actually his name in the film. Becca, I'm so sorry if you're watching this. I'm killing it, aren't I? Right, who's the next one? Oh, now this might be Mr. Big. Is this Mr. Big? I think that might actually be Mr. Big. Don't know who Mr. Big is, but I've heard lots of people talk about Mr. Big. So, he might be the baddie. I need to watch this film. Actually, as I sit editing, I might actually watch the movie and then I can put who they are underneath. That would be clever, wouldn't it? But the dogs will bark, so I've got to figure out a way of doing that. So we've got Mr. Big potentially and the buffalo. Right, next one. Isn't this? Oh! I have Nick Wilde. I know that's Nick Wilde. I know I have Nick Wilde. Yay! One I know. I really like that. Yeah, so there is. So that's the first box. Over my shoulder, box number 2. Really like these. Just wish I really knew who they were. So 3. Now this is a nice thick plastic. And maybe this is something Disney World and America should learn, because these are thicker plastic. And even though they're plastic bags, they've got cardboard around them to help protect them. Probably because there's 3 squashed in a box instead of 2. But that's, you know, a really good idea. Right, let's have a look. I have Judy Hopps. I know who Judy Hopps is. Yay! There you go. Oh, she's lovely. Oh, she's lovely. So I've got Nick and Judy. Are they a couple in the movie? I'm sure they're not at the top. Are they a couple in the movie? Oh, this is why I've got to watch it, because I like a bit of romance. I like action movies. I like romantic movies. I don't do horror. The only time I do horror is if I'm actually underneath my top so that I can't see it. Right, I just got lipstick there. Never mind. Right, next one. Who have I got now? Oh, I've got another Nick. 2 Nicks. These are bad boys, me, and a girl can never have enough bad boys. I know that. Right, okay, next one. Who have I got now? Ooh. Oh, I don't know who he is, but he looks a bit ferocious, doesn't he? Is he a ram? Or is he a buffalo? You know, when you collect pins, you really should know the movie that you're collecting, shouldn't you? They've got the new Cinderella mystery set coming out soon. And I'd love to collect it, apart from the fact it's a lot of money again. And I do know most of the characters, but there's some I don't. And I think for the older films, I watched them all back in the day, but I haven't watched them recently because I like to watch my favourites. So I like Up, I like Rapunzel, I like Ratatouille. So I've got my favourites, Beauty and the Beast. I like the modern ones with the singing, but I need to watch the older ones, don't I? I love Snow White. Especially because I won the competition on it. I love Snow White, but it's a bit old now, isn't it? But that's what makes Disney beautiful, but you know, so I need to watch them all basically. Right, so third and final box. Oh, I didn't throw the box over my shoulder. Woo, there we go. I'll knock Phil's Christmas tree down at this rate, won't I? Right, last 3 out. Ah dear. When I come to trade and I go, I've got the one with the buffalo horns, and I've got the one that looks like a ram. Heaven knows what I'll end up with. Right, ready? What have I got here? Ooh, I don't know who he is. He looks like a sloth. I have no idea who he is. Or is that Mr. Big? He looks very little to have the name Mr. Big. But maybe that's why he's called Mr. Big. I don't know. So that's another one. Okay. Okay. Oh, I've got another ram. So I've got 2 traders, six at the moment. So this is the last one. So who's in this one? Oh, now this is it Marybelle or Merryweather? No, that's Fairy in Sleeping Beauty's Merryweather. I think. Is it? Is it? So this is Marybelle or something along that lines. I only know that because they've just done a PTD release in Disney Stores Studio Hollywood, haven't they? That's the only reason I know that. So that's her. Oh, so they're really nice. So out of 9 pins, I've got 7. So I said 10 in the set, didn't I? So I'm actually only missing 3. I don't know the 3 I'm missing because I don't know the name. It's just one of them, isn't it? So yes, I'm really pleased. So hope you've enjoyed this. Oh, Karen, you've got to learn the names. Hope you've enjoyed this. I know you'll be screaming at the TV or the laptop going, Karen! But thanks so much for watching. Hope you've enjoyed it. Don't forget, if you haven't clicked the subscribe button, please do. and also the notification bell. If you don't click the notification bell when I upload a new video, you won't know about them. Whereas if you click the notification bell, then it will send you a little message so you know it's there and if you want to watch it or not. And don't forget to give me a thumbs up, that'd be greatly appreciated. And if I don't see you in the parks, I'll see you real soon. Thanks so much for watching. Bye for now. Bye.